Hello everybody, here are the best flagwars weapons, and I'm saving the best for last, so watch the entire video if you want to know my very favorite weapon. So starting off, just don't get this over with, a lot of these weapons are very similar, so basically this chunk right here and a few ones lower down. So you can see if I move around these statistics stay similar. Like if I just do this, they only wiggle around a little bit. So those weapons, they may not be the best, they're pretty good though. I'm mostly going to be discussing other weapons though, but if you don't have the best aim, I would recommend to use this weapon, the TAR 21. It costs 20k, which kind of sucks, but it's still all around a good weapon. I'm not going to showcase it just because it's not the best, but so this would be like, I guess, 4th place, but 3rd place I'm going to go with revolver. So for this weapon, you do need to have good aim, so I'll use it real quick. And it can be a bit tough, but it goes really well with sniper because it allows you to only do 50 damage on a headshot, which allows you to basically two-hit anyone from any range. And this weapon doesn't have any like a spray, so if you spam it, you can't go that fast, but all the bullets are in a pretty concentrated spot, a lot better than a few other weapons. So I'll just run around quickly with this, but as long as you aim it well, you can basically just destroy anyone. So I'll just go and get 1 or 2 more, and then I will show the next weapon. This weapon is around $12,000–$16,000 though, so if you can't get this, then you may have to do a little bit of work, but it should be fine. I'm doing because it's not the best alone. You want it to pair it with the very best weapon that I will discuss later. So now, next weapon, number 2, not revolver, but I will keep it on. It is the minigun. This one just costs 65,000. The third, my favorite one, doesn't cost as much. This one it's expensive. It's really fast. It has all the ammo. It just sort of has to be good. Because in close ranges, it just shreds targets. And at long ranges, then you can swap to that weapon. And my team might help me out. But you get the idea. You can just do some quick, close-up damage with this. But when it's far away, then you can do that. Bam, their rush is basically stopped. You can also kind of play stupid with this weapon and sort of run in. Of course, if someone else is using it, it's really who got the first few hits. So, now for my very, very favorite weapon, if you can't or don't want to get these two, this is by far the best weapon in the game that is not pay to win. It is the sniper. So, I'm going to unequip. Actually, I'll unequip revolver for this. Sniper. So, you start off with it, $0. Which is stupid. This weapon should cost like 100,000. Because once you learn like the center of your crosshair when you're not scoped in, you can go crazy. I'll go and try to hit some clips. But you can. The thing with this weapon is you can headshot and it deals 100 damage if you hit it. If you don't hit it, then you die. Although it does have 2 ammo, if you pair this with either revolver or minigun, it is crazy. Because you can sort of just walk down a hallway like this. Once you know the area, you can just sort of click heads. It's almost too easy. So once you get good with this weapon, it does require a bit more skill than the other ones, because you do have to actually aim. But once you're good with it, and you pair with minigun for close range, this for far range. It is a beast. It is insane. It does take some positioning, though, so if you just sort of like to run in, and, don't do that in this game, it will not work out for you. But if you just like to run in, then this may not be the best weapon, although it can still deal 50 damage, which is really good. Okay, but yeah, that's about it for this video, so if you learned something from this video, be sure to like and subscribe. Maybe watch some other videos if you want to learn other random tutorials, and have a nice day. Thanks for watching.